the New York Stock Exchange open, things of that nature. So really, those are pieces of information that if you're going to trade the North American market at this time, you should have that ingrained in your head. You should not be confused on why things are pulling back, or what happens at 9:30, what happens at 11 o'clock. Like, you should already have that. That's part of your playbook. Similar to when you play basketball, you get fouled, you're going to the free throw line to shoot 2 free throws. That's not surprising. Like, you shouldn't be surprised that they give you the ball and they tell you to shoot it. You should already know that. And additionally, you should have already been practicing that, because those are free points that you get with no distraction. Essentially, there's no one standing in front of you. You get a clear look at the basket. So give yourself that edge and really get that information and ingrain it in your head. But more importantly, understand how to apply that information so that you can take effective trades or manage the risk associated with your trades that are currently open.
I think Yasser, Yasser. Oh, I thought you fell asleep for a second. Man's in the mountains of Colombia.
Oh, I was muted. Okay, my bad. Yeah, I think your support should be down over here on GJ, like 133, 730, because price keeps coming here and rejecting it. So I mean, if you're having a support over here, this is like having an even tighter area. So I would say this is your resistance now. I mean, this is what I'm going to be looking at. Now this is a range. This is a proper range now. 22 pip range, the proper range. The 4-hour candle just closed. Looking on the 4-hour, 4-hour closed bullish.
Look at gold. Gold is gonna give some nice moves.
Oh wow, yeah, this should continue moving from the looks of it.
Hopefully we can create some sort of resistance around 1920, 25.
Yeah, so you can see the candle structure is different over here than it was over here. So that's why I get wary when we hit this area here, because I would want to see structure look this way. So you might find this may come up and then dip down a bit. And this initial push here was a continuation just to fill that. And now you're bouncing back up a bit. So keep that in mind.
All right, what's going on here? This is GJ. Do you think this is bad idea? I've taken this trade 3 times before and I was successful. Okay, coming down for a thing over there. Do you think this is I was expecting volume to push price down to support after 30-minute candle close. Yeah, I think your stop loss was way too tight. Your stop loss was based on a 15-minute, and as we have, talked about this over and over again, that 15-minute are weak confirmation time frames, 30-minute are much stronger confirmation time frames. So we should wait for the 30-minute. Please advise on door-to-door sales. I'm starting next week. Well, you just gotta go knock on all the doors. The more people you talk to, the more chances there are for you to get a sale. All right, let's take a look at this chart here. First time poster, long time listener. sells below close of this level, buys above close of this level, target for buys, target for sells. Okay, so let's measure these ranges, right? So your target for buys is up over here, and if you measure this range, this is a 8 pip range. So that's going to be a very, very small range. If we measure the range over here, this looks much better because it's much bigger, right? So I would say like buys above 133, 950 would be much better. If you get a close, break and close above, we can go down. But you know, if we get a break and close below this area, then we can continue moving bearish.
Bro, you know you're giving advice on door-to-door sales, right?
Yeah.
I did you know, during Brexit I was campaigning to stay in, right? Man, I got a they're like, yeah, you know, words and people getting people's doors and you're just knocking and people been busy doing their life, man, and they just harass you.
Yeah. Like imagine you're busy with something really important and someone comes to your door and they're talking about, do you support to be in Brexit? And the guy's like, yo, what? This one time I knocked on the door and this dude answered the door and I was like really enthusiastic. I'm like, hey, we're installing filters for the neighborhood here. And the guy looks at me, he's like, bro, I'm
What?
going through a divorce. I don't have time for this. I'm like, oh shit, okay. Sorry.
But you know, like I kind of, from knocking on the doors, right, and I did it all over the country, I had an insight to how the average man or woman was feeling, you know. And then you could get an insight into, like, fair enough, there's all these people giving analytics that this was going to happen, this is going to happen, it's going to be this, but knocking on the door, it was a different picture, you know, and you could feel that more people were against than they were for. Do you know what I mean? And you know, if I was trading at the time, I think you know, I could have capitalized on it. You know what I mean?
Like they didn't want Brexit to happen.
No, more people wanted.
Oh.
And it was in the sense that there was just different reasons. Some people, it was, you know, whatever, you know, everybody had a different story and every area had its own narrative. And
Yeah.
definitely the Brexit team Brexit, they localized their message to every area, which was really, really unique, you know, and you could see how they'd done it. Do you see what I mean? So in certain areas, they, for example, you know, in some areas they said, well, we should be trading with, you know, outside the EU. Why do we have to be stuck with the EU? You know, and it was, you know, it was an interesting insight of how to run a campaign. And then, you know, if I'd been trading at the time, I thought, well, this is, and then, but the thing is, it's just knocking on the door of the general public and the abuse sometimes. Yeah, the people are busy, man. You know, they got things to do.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the only way I look at it is that if Brexit does happen, if the UK moves away from the EU, I think a really big change is going to be in travel. You know, I think that it's going to cost you more to travel to other European countries.
Yeah, I think, I mean, but to be honest with you, if you look at the amount of Brits that are in Europe, and you know, just looking at it, I'll be honest, I don't think much is going to change, because they want us over there, we want them over here. You know, it's going to be superficial, and the average person probably ain't going to notice much. There'll just be more bureaucracy. And I think, you know, if you imagine, you know, lots of my friends have, you know, houses in Spain and all this, they can't just make things more harder for investors and stuff, you know, between the countries. So I think it'll be just more bureaucratic and paperwork more, you know.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Like, I think what my impression was that once Brexit's going to happen, there's going to be a big wall. A big wall is going to go down. And that's it, done. You know. But you're right. Like it's going to happen like slowly. And hey, what if we're moving through Brexit right now? You know, slowly. What if it's like a plan which will go over like, let's say 5 years and 6 years, and maybe down the road they say, okay, like, you know what? Brexit, I mean, we've just completed the final setting of Brexit. And you're right, like guys may not even notice it. One thing Boris says, you're right. One thing he says is that hey, if Brexit does happen, we're not going to pay the fine. You guys can pay it for us if you want, but we're not going to pay it. Boris is from the ends, innit, mate? He's from the ends.
Well, he's not from my ends, I'll tell you that. It's a bit too posh for me.
There's going to be a war in Northern Ireland if the UK goes through with Brexit. Well, I don't know if you want to fight against Conor McGregor. It's going to come down there with Khabib. Can I use Magic Key on my server without keyboard? Because sometimes I'm at work trading. No, you can't. Good day. Please, I'd like to know if TradingView has some advantage over MetaTrader. Yes, huge advantage, man. I mean, the kind of analysis you can do on TradingView, you can't do it on MetaTrader. You just can't. You just can't. Like, look, you can do this so nice, and you can do this so nice, and it's just very user friendly. I mean, people who use MetaTrader, I had people in the boot camp for London and some in Miami too. Like, so we'd come from doing analysis on TradingView, and then once you move to MetaTrader and you had to do like these analysis and draw zones, they're like, man, this is so hard. This is so difficult.
Ted must not be here, man. Because that's where Ted would just interject.
Right. It's like I've been using MT3 since 1980.
I haven't had any problems at all.
I've never had a problem in my life. Oh, look, it's breaking.
Yeah, it's breaking.
Full margin
Breaking
sales.
lows. Gold is also dropping down furthermore. Damn.
Let's go.
Yeah. 4 hour. See, here's the thing. Once this 4 hour breaks the low on the 4 hour, then it's just gonzo. Gonzo. But essentially, you need now candles to close below 133,700 for them to continue going bearish.
What a Monday, man.
Been fun.
Yeah.
Well, at least I caught that drop from London. So, chilling. Trying to look for a movie on Netflix, like a good movie.
Mac, you're not muted.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, I thought he was talking to his buddy or something.
No, I was talking to you, but then again, you know, I'm just gonna mute myself.
Yeah, watch Old School.
Old school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was watching the Trailer Park Boys. I've been watching the whole series.
No.
Watch Old School. It's with Vince Vaughn, Luke Wilson, and Will Ferrell.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. You've never seen that movie?
Old school. Let me see. Let me go.
With Frank the Tank. That's how I feel like when I'm at the club. No, guys, I can't drink anymore. Frank the Tank. Ted the Tank. Okay, let's go.
This is some different stuff. Oh, okay. This was seen a long time ago.
Yeah, it's good.
To get the blow up doll scene, and then we're like, yo, I was too young. Like, what? I'm like, what's that? You know?
No, it's funny because Vince Vaughn plays like the typical guy that's married and has a kid and wife, and then he still wants to go out and party, but then he still has to deal with his wife, and he's like, yes, ma'am, yes. So
And then you got Will Ferrell.
yeah.
Look, well.
Are we doing any talk shows sooner? Like no streaming, just bare talk.
You know who's doing that right now? Torre and Bernie. They took our idea. I messaged Bernie too. I was like, you guys must have been in our chat because they're doing that. Like we talk about anything. They had a really good podcast. It was actually really good, really well done. But it was like just just general conversation. So it was really cool.
Oh, a movie I was just thinking of, Wedding Crashers. With
I watched that
Vaughn.
yesterday.
Oh man, that's Owen Wilson with the messed up nose.
Yeah, I watched that yesterday. That was good. I like that movie.
And the freaking girl, what's her name? Rachel Adams, McAdams.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Brad Cooper was in it too. Bradley Cooper.
Yeah. He was the douchebag.
Yeah. The other one is Step Brothers. That's really good as well.
Yeah. Uh, the other one was, what was it? Meet the oh, I don't want to say it, but Meet the
Yeah, with De Niro.
with
Yeah.
De Niro, right? Don't they? The guy, he's the freaking ass.
Isn't that funny?
Mac, is it 420 already or what?
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm about to say. I like Mac's his own audience, his own cheerleader. Like this guy lives the best life.
Let me see what other movie.
Guys, I'm off. Thank you kindly. Thank you, Rakil, Mac, Ed.
Bye.
Stay safe, stay strong.
Yeah, I'm gonna head off too. I'm gonna
Yeah,
head
me
off
too.
too.
I'm gonna go to
Take
the
care.
gym.
Gym
Probably-
time.
Enjoy, fellas.
Probably watch a
Okay.
movie before.
Yeah.
Everyone go to Eleanor's stream now. Let her work.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye
Take
bye.
care.
All right.
Wow, Danush, what broker are you using? Nope, not yet. So 1 second, guys. Yeah, I need a close below 133,700. So give me a while. Let me bring on Zoom.
Hello.
Hi, welcome back. Nope, nothing, no trades yet. So we need price to close below 133,700. If not, I'm not taking anything yet because the 4 hour closed bullish. So I'm a bit more careful. 1 hour was bearish, but if you see the wicks, it never broke below that support. So I am being wary of GJ today.
Hey, Al.
Hey. I'm using Pepperstone, guys. Your 4 hour is still running, it has not closed. Oh? Why would it not have closed? No, I think the 4 hour should be the same throughout, Ibrahim. Safer buy above 134221, safer sell 133.6. Let's see. Yes. Safer buys for me, yeah, above 134,100. Yeah, but overall I am still bearish. I would only start looking for sells once I see a close above 134. Yeah, GJ is good shit, correct. Whoever said it. Yeah, send a chart if you want me to have a look. Do you use magic keys on C? I think you can. Okay, Luca, no need to spam. You only take trades on the direction of 4 can. No, it's not that. It's just that if I know that GJ has already made a big break like that, I want to see this candle also continue in that move. So by the fact that a 4 hour candle actually starts to close bullish, I would be a bit more wary taking a trade short. Yeah.
Hey Al.
Yeah, what's up?
So you see how we're trying to catch the next 4 hour candle down, right?
Yeah.
Because for this current daily, we got the London session. They went down, right, on their 4 hour.
Yeah.
And now we got the New York session.
Yeah.
So basically, we're looking for like rejection on the 15 and 30 is what you're saying here?
Sorry, yeah, correct. So I need a candle to break below this area first.
Okay.
And yeah, and I'm not gonna take any impulse entries when there are
In the
so many
range.
wicks here. So definitely no impulse entries. Oh, Luca, I answered already. So you can use magic keys on C Trader. Please don't spam the chat. Wow, sorry, Lee.
No, it's cool.
Yeah. So yeah, definitely no impulse entries, but we gotta be a bit more careful with shorts going down, because if you look at the 1 hour, right, it's been printing side by side for the last 4 hour candle. Yeah, so we're definitely in consolidation. I need a strong breakout. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out like you know, because it's just the start of the 4 hour, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, you know, the last 4 hour was bullish.
Yeah. The 1 hour closed bearish, but I don't know whether you're in yet, but I said I didn't like where it stopped on the wick, because it stopped right
No.
at support. So I'm like, okay, that's not a good thing. So
that's
we're
last
basically stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're stuck in this range over here. Yeah, we're
Yeah.
definitely stuck. Okay, let's see, John. Entered as candle broke the low. What's this GU? Where's candle? Ooh, nice. 28656. Let's see. Yeah, I had a zone there too, around there. So I was looking at GU earlier when it rejected this area. Same as GJ, but it came down nicer because he had space. So for EJ, yeah. EJ buys, right. What were my confirmations? Lloyd, I'm not in a sell yet. I'm just waiting. I'm not in anything. Oh. Okay, yeah. Yeah, Eugene, was it based on this support over here? Yeah, I mean, some people might want to trade the range because it's a 26 pip range. It's just a bit dangerous, so just be careful. Yeah, it was probably an impulse entry, I think. Right, Eugene? Yeah, so the thing about GJ now that's confusing is if you look at the 15, right? Structurally, it has been making like higher highs, higher lows. So that's the reason why I'm not even comfortable selling yet. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I see this on the lower time frame, but I cannot deny that I see this big move here. And if you look at how the candles actually formed, just the recent 1 hour candles, right? They're nowhere as big as the previous candle. So definitely there's no volume.
Wow. Oh. Alright, hi Eleanor.
Hello.
Yeah, so I was talking about the GJ buys that I took earlier on.
Yeah.
Like, just only. Oh wow.
Yeah, you should be able to go back to 134, I think, at least.
I've already secured profits already.
Yeah. Because based on this 15, so you took it here, is it?
No, I took it when it broke the 30 minutes high.
So this one here?
Yes, correct, that one.
Wow.
Yeah.
So on this candle, right?
Correct.
Ooh. Okay.
I mean, I waited like, I think 2 hours for a trade. So.
Huh. Eugene, your fan's blowing into the mic.
I'm so sorry.
No worries.
Yeah, the fan is beside me.
30, yeah.
And furthermore, it's on a daily resistance, so it's best to take profit there. So.
Yeah, 134 is daily, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, correct. So it's just a different trading style. Like for me, I prefer to get more. So if I'm waiting for shorts, right, I'm waiting for this move here. So I 160.
Oh, correct. Yeah, you're not wrong.
Correct. So but if people at 110, by all means this is fine because you know that there's a very high probability that 134 will test.
That's correct.
Yeah, so really no wrong. It's just
But
managing of your trade.
But still, my bias is still sells actually.
Yeah, it's just that some people choose to trade the pullback, some don't. Yeah. Break and close above 134 or 90 be better for buy. Yes, anything. So if for buys, I want clean breaks and closes above 134. Then I'll consider it. But right now, not a single candle has closed above. Not even on the 1 hour. So I'm not considering buys just yet. Yeah, but I'm not saying that it might not happen. It's just not ready. GJ will not break 1700. Do you have any plans for buy? Yeah, Jai just so above 134. Yeah, the 30 minute, the 15 and the 30 today is nuts. So I'm trying to stay on the hour.
Yeah, it's true.
It's nuts, man.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey.
I just wanted to ask on this actual, so the idea if price breaks above that resistance and goes above, let's say we get
134,
like
right?
Yeah. Let's say we can either enter like as an impulse entry or maybe if price creates a support, and enter that.
I would
Where do you see
suggest,
price going?
honestly, I'm still short biased.
Yeah,
so
but you was thinking you would enter above that
Yeah.
resistance you just created. So
Correct.
I'm saying like if price does break that resistance and goes above, I see price like because there is like if you look to the left there is another resistance at 134, 128. I think it's really strong. So that's where I see price.
Sorry, Kevin, come nearer. Come nearer to the mic.
Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry.
Yeah.
So I'm saying if price goes above that resistance that you have,
Yeah.
maybe like an impulse entry or like
How would I
ideal one
enter?
Yeah, how would you enter that?
Okay, impulse definitely no, because this is a daily zone, right? So not so like I mentioned, not a single candle is broken. So if I see a 15 go above, I'm definitely waiting for new support to form, because the high chance, if let's say this candle, right, it breaks above and closes above, it's only a 15-minute candle, I'm not entering on it. I will need another candle to do a test, at least whether it's by a wick or like forming new support, then I will consider taking up, because potentially this whole area here, like what Ted said earlier, right, this whole area is just crappy. I don't want to be stuck here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I will definitely not impulse into this, because if I impulse, right, I bounce off the top of the wick and then I come back down. It's nah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
let me just annotate just to form a picture. It would be like, so let's say this is a candle closes like you want candle to close above, and then maybe starts retracing, and then actually create support right here, and then
Yep.
you would have like this support right here, and then you would enter
Correct.
to
Yes.
fill this area.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you see if this happened? Do you still see? Would you still keep going? Like, would you leave like at least a runner or something to go?
Okay,
Keep
so
going up.
yeah, if it goes back up, right, this area here to the left, this is gonna be the first area it stops. So we have a
Would you
lot.
look more to the left side as well, like, or would that be enough? Because it's a little further, but like there is resistance.
This?
The resistance could. Oh, actually, okay. So the one, no, actually the one under it, those would be with the daily. Those would count with that resistance you have.
What price? This one here?
This area.
Oh, okay, so you're afraid of price bouncing off this area.
Yeah.
Let's see. Because this is a 4-hour area, right? Let's have a look. So the problem with the chart now is the info is old. The information on the left is really old. So
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. It's like it's really old.
Yeah.
But with it, because it's like there hasn't been any candles that came that far and retested that area or anything.
Yeah.
So it might still have some kind of reservoir.
Yeah. I mean, you're not wrong to say that price did stop there, but the thing is, if we so those were all wicks on the left, right? That's why this zone came about. So effectively, I'm actually looking to see, at least to feel confident in the trade, I need a 30-minute support to form. I will not take a 15, to be frank, because now that there are two zones in the way, right, of really historical price, I'm gonna wait for really strong confirmations. So see, like now this candle wants to break.
Wait, like something like that.
Yeah. So a 15 break is nothing. Yeah. So this 30-minute. So see, on this 30-minute close, right? It closed below, and then now this candle's pushing. So let's have a look. If it breaks above the wick, then yes, the possibilities for price to go back in is a bit higher now. Yeah, but I'm still waiting because this 30-minute
it's still just speculation.
Yeah, it's just still stuck. Yeah, basically. So.
Yeah, earlier I actually entered with Raja, but I think, like I was talking about on the left, it was really like I should have seen that more and said like, oh, there's too much resistance for price to just like have the power to just keep on going without any support formed or anything. Yeah. I think that I understand my mistake from earlier though.
Yeah. Rob, no, I try not to take counter trend trades. What's this? GU. $128. 28. Yeah. So Mihail, yeah, I'm waiting for support to form at 28 as well. But I'm still short bias on the pound. Tough for me to take long, I think. Why not looking for shorts when candles closing below 133.6? Oh yeah, I'm still waiting, Jonathan. I'm not in any shorts yet. Preferably shorts would definitely be below 1337. But now GJ is still rejecting this support here. So it should fill this wick first, and then we'll see how it goes after that. Yeah, so
GJ breaking.
sorry?
Whoa, GJ. Watch
Yeah.
GJ.
Yeah.
Oh my god, GG.
Yeah. Eugene, are you still in?
No. I don't have a runner.
Yeah. Doesn't matter, it should do a pause, and then it's
Yeah,
good
it
that
would
it
be
cleared.
nice if it closed right here.
Yeah, if it does a pause later, then we'll just get back in. The candles are so clean to clear anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
Woohoo.
Yep, this is 80 beat range, so.
Yeah, it didn't even care about the.
Oh, it's still
Oh,
moving.
wow.
Whoa.
Wow, it's news. It's 100% news. Let's see what this is.
I thought they wasn't supposed to be news.
I don't know.
What, is that the news?
Was it this?
I don't know.
Let's
Let
see
me try and find as well. I think something about ECB, right?
Yeah, I think so. This is not normal. Candle this big is not normal. See? It wicked.
Oh, the
Yeah,
retracement.
there's
Oh, the
some kind of
Yep. Yeah, it's this.
breaking news or something.
Yeah.
yeah, the ECB one.
Yeah.
Whoa,
What is it? Is the Brexit news?
nasty.
Yeah. Some Brexit news.
Yeah, I mean there's clean candle as well, so
Yep.
I think we'll be good for sells, Al. It just touched the 134.5 key level.
Yeah.
And it couldn't hold that, you know what I mean? On the 1 minute, it just came way back down.
oh yeah.
Yep. That's even better now, right? Because now we have even more strength to
Yeah,
break
like
back
it's even
down.
better, you know, if we close below on the higher time frame, it's basically just a retest, you know what I mean? It's the market open, I think. Yeah, I don't know what it was, but that was crazy.
Seems like it was some kind
Yeah,
of Brexit
what the
news.
heck?
Oh, they could be collecting orders to go down. You never know.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like it was just a, it was
So
just
the
that
thing is,
retest of the.
yeah, it tested right to this area, see? Yeah, so I think
Yeah.
earlier the guys were on the first stream, they were saying that there will be a pullback to 134,
Yeah.
600, right? So many of you guys were
Yeah.
calling it. Yes, it has to be a. Okay, so the deeper pullback was possible, but now what I'm afraid of is also it continues up. So we really need to be careful at this area here. So we gotta wait for like
Yeah.
the 15 to
yeah.
form resistance as well. Because if it pushes up, right, then we're really going all the way to at least 135. Yeah, so I
Yeah. But
would
look,
want to be
like
careful.
we're not even able to hold 134, you know,
Yes, correct.
Yeah, it's coming all the way back.
all the way back.
The yen is what had the big move, not the GBP. Why?
This is what we were looking for in Raja's stream.
Yeah, Raja wanted this. Yeah.
Oh, he's good. He's went to the gym.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You, but I, you never know. Raja might have caught that.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe when he's on his way to the gym and then.
I think I'm gonna hold this for the sells. I'm in at 134.3.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice, man.
Yeah, but I couldn't.
Yeah,
I was trying to like
same
tell.
entry too.
Yeah, I was trying to tell. Is
entry.
it going back down or not? You know.
Oh.
All yen pairs flew.
That stops at break
I don't
even
know.
already.
How many pips are you in profit?
16, I am.
Oh.
Why
yeah,
is it
I
a
have
yen
2
move?
positions.
It's risky to hold it because it's
Yeah,
like
it was risky.
anything at this point. Like can go up, go down.
Nah, man, it's not risky because look, we're not able to hold the price at above 134. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but
If you look at it on the 30
candle
minute,
hasn't
it
closed.
basically just wicked up to pull back.
That pullback though.
But
Yeah,
do
you
you
know,
think,
it's just a pullback.
yeah. Do you think since we haven't closed the candle yet, like it
And
would
it's
be
not
risky?
and it's
like,
not normal
go
for
back up?
GJ to pull back 50 pips though.
Oh, GJ pulls back 50 pips, bro. Come on. What do you mean not normal, bro? GJ
Voor de
move.
klas. Mag dat niet daarin, of wat?
Alas, bro.
Alleen door dat. Maar doen die open en die kijken, vet.
Oh. GU is doing nothing. Look at GU is doing nothing.
I'll close at the 134, no problem. You know, I'll take whatever I can get.
Oh,
Yeah,
GU.
but just be careful with it. But you know how to trade it. So.
Damn, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Wow, I was on my phone and then.
Raja
I
actually
wasn't
said like
expecting the gold fall either. I was thinking gold would fall closer to 930, right? But it started falling right while we were watching it. It just like made one
Something
I
must
think
have
it made,
happened on the yen. I think. I mean okay, so based on what Rick O is saying, he's saying that some shit happened on the yen. Cause look at the yen. Someone took a dump on the yen. Yeah. Well.
yeah, so
Yeah.
how do we continued sells for this if we just come back onto the higher time frame of 30-minute, 15-minute, you know?
Yeah, same thing. Look, if the 15, so this, we all know this is
Yeah.
news, right? So
Yeah.
it's irrelevant. This candle, honestly, it's irrelevant. It's not a move up. If you want to trade the wick fill, then by all means take the wick fill. I'm going to be waiting for short still. Yeah, I'm still short buyer.
It's
So
too risky.
I know this wick fill should happen. And then if anyone wants to take the 50 pip wick fill, go ahead.
I don't think
it
I don't
might
know,
fail.
man. I wouldn't take that.
No, it might fail with support here, right? So this 15, firstly, has to close, right? So close above this gray box, okay? So that's what I want to see first. Then later on, as long as this candle closes above the gray box, right? We should be in for the wick fill. Yeah. The wick fill is just like a deeper 4-hour pullback, that's it. It's not really a change in direction, I think.
Hold on, I'm just gonna be right back. I gotta walk the dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's just it's just
Dangerous,
this is Zhao's favorite trade. He's gonna get 11% again.
Oh,
if
he's a
30
lucky man.
yeah, Zhao, this is your trade. Look, the weakness here. Okay, so if a 30 closes above resistance again, could that be a buy to retest the high? Honestly, yeah, so like I said, as long as it closes above, I'm gonna be watching it. Because this wick view is juicy. So then that would be trading the pullback off the 4-hour candle. Yeah.
So Eleanor, remember this morning when I was talking about holding
Damn, you really
trades?
sound like Kerwin.
I'm gonna hold this sell that I have up here.
Where?
With a 0.01, I closed 90% of my position already. Took about 40 pips.
As in
Should be
you're in
done
a
for
sell?
the day. Yeah.
From here?
From wait, let me open up my phone.
Oh, you mean the one that you took earlier?
304. No. This wick right here.
Oh, okay.
I guess he caught it
Yeah.
on the
I caught it on the first initial reaction of price rejecting. It was impulsive entry.
Yeah.
So 134, 304 was my entry.
I think if the 15-minute closes like in between like 10 pips to 15 pips, I could risk that amount of pips just to see if it will go up. But yeah, because it's like 15-minute and then maybe the 30 like it's not 30 minutes, so it's not like it might have a chance on the next 15 minutes to actually fill the wick like Ella said.
Yeah, honestly, I think it's gonna make a lower high and leave a second wick.
Well, I'm not convinced in this buy yet.
No, this shouldn't buy, especially if it closes below the daily
134 again.
Yeah, then I'll be happy. I'll feel much safer holding this sell all the way down to your 4-hour level.
Yeah.
It's gonna be choppy. It's gonna take a while, but It'll work.
Oh, he's speaking. Damn it. Hold your horses.
As chairman?
Yeah, Powell's speaking.
Yeah.
Hey, William, did you close your EJ? 600. Yeah, Giles, definitely new. So anyone wants to join Zoom, links are in Discord. Discord links are in the YouTube description or on your screen. Guys, check, go. Okay. It's flying. Yep, Tech called it, so. Is it a F you can pick up? I don't know. This is news. So the thing is, if you look at the 1 hour, right? Look at the bottom. They have all been rejecting and making higher highs. So that's why it's confusing. Yeah. And then this does not help. This really does not help. So we have Powell. What's he talking about? I'm not in, I'm just testing my magic keys. Just saying, in case anyone gets excited. Yes. Wow, look, it's trying to close below. Ooh. Oh, this is not good.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm gonna stick to my plan. Just FOMO.
Yeah, so just be careful. I think Power is speaking, so I'm just gonna stay away for the time being. I don't want this shit to happen to me. This is like a middle finger, man.
Yeah, if anyone was in that cell, oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm going up 15 minutes. Man, the FOMO right now.
Yeah.
Oh, 5
Nah, no FOMO. Look, if you miss it, right, and your original bias is sell, you want Price to just do all this pushing to this area, right, during news, and then after he's done talking, then you just take it down. Wouldn't it be so much cleaner? Since you would be trading till the London close anyway. So we have like 2.5 hours. Or at least 2 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like I said, anybody wants to trade the wick fill, it's fairly probable it should fail, and it's 50 pips, so that is also a trade that you can take. See? Like Giles, Giles' favorite trade. He's seen it too many
Yeah, I'm
times
about to
to
get
give it up.
stopped out on my sales.
Yeah. But it's in profit, right?
Yeah, I secured 90%. It's
Yeah.
just practicing holding my trades.
Yeah. Yep. Everyone's like throwing all sorts of different fundamental news. Yeah.
Okay, nice. I didn't miss anything.
Nah, you're good. Powell speaking in like 13 minutes.
Oh, you guys figure out what happened?
I don't know.
earlier.
Some of them are sending this.
Oh,
Yeah. Did you like run with your dog?
yeah.
Yeah, there's
Like
nothing.
I have to. He doesn't walk. He runs.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
What makes you think Wick will fail? Ashton, we've seen it quite a few times. Yeah, but you can do some backtesting. So for the new guys, who just joined Market Fluidity, or anyone on YouTube who's new, if you want to join Zoom, the links are on the Discord. The Discord link should be on your screen and is in the YouTube description. Yeah. The cells were risky. You
Gold
call
gave
a
us
top.
an entry. 1912.
Why would you say the cells are risky, L? I only said cells below 133,700. 13516 consolidation daily high. Then 13529. Okay. I don't really know what that means. Longs, I guess, above here. That's really far. Right, what, Sandra? The Discord? Oh. No, then I'll be typing essays on my screen. Look, YouTube already sees so many things on my screen. Check it out. So, yeah, they see too many things. They can't see more things. They wouldn't be able to see my charts. Oh. Okay, that's a good point.
Yeah, I think she just means like, you know, on your line you could add the text.
Yeah. Like Raja.
Mm.
So now I'm gonna say it like 10 times. Okay. Target 1356. Powell doesn't affect GJ. Doesn't high impact US news affect the overall market in some way? Is there someone speaking right now? Not yet, I think. In 7 minutes. If he's speaking about interest rates, I think it should affect GJ a little. It's like how I thought Canadian news wouldn't affect GJ, it does. Which is interesting. If this candle closes below 134,100, do you think it will drop? 134,100. No, not yet. I would need some resistance to form at that 134,100 level, Ashton. As you can tell, I am not confident in these longs here. That's why I cannot give you a very clear answer, to be frank. Oh, okay. I see. L. Got it. Powers basically handling US monetary policy for the next 10 years, nothing to do with yen or pound. Yeah, but I have a rule that I don't trade high impact news. Like, I would prefer to be safe, but yeah, by all means. Will you trade on London session this morning too? I didn't take a trade on my stream, but I took a trade before that. Am I on Eastern time zone? No, I'm in Asia. Daniels, how long have I been trading? 7 years. Is it normal for you to be negative $80 waiting for it to go back to profit? Well, it depends on how deep a stop loss you're in. $80 doesn't mean anything. You need to tell me how deep in terms of pips you're in. It is 10 PM my time. Zhao, that was really long. You took so long to fill this wick. Usually it's supposed to be immediate, right? That's what you said. It's like an immediate wick fill on the next candle at least. But this is really long. You took a few hours. Yeah. I thought it was on the, like, based on what you observed, I thought it was on the next candle for the wick fill. Yeah, I would expect it to be immediate because this like, from my understanding of candles at least, this is a bullish push up, right? So the buyer should want to try again. So they should want to try on the immediate next candle and not like over a stretch of a few hours. Yeah, so no, I did not trade gold. I do not trade gold. Just have it on my charts so I can understand it when Ted talks about it. In this case, it took longer because it ranged a bit, maybe due to news. I don't know. I really don't know. But
So what I see happen a lot is if this 15-minute candle closes like this, the next 15 minutes should have a push up and create, or it's gonna go a little bit above this candle's wick, or it's gonna stop a little bit below. But if it stops a little bit below, I'm confident that it will retest back in the
600.
zone, the floor, the
This
Florida
one here?
zone. No, down.
Who?
The
Where?
floor of the
This one here?
consolidation, sorry.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, sorry.
133,700.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If this next 15-minute candle, well, actually, that analysis isn't right anymore because it's pushed up in the meantime.
Yeah. Yeah, so on this 30-minute close, right? Those on wick fills, you should be good going up. So this 1 hour is good, right? So ignoring the fact that the bulk of it was news, this 1 hour closing above the gray zone and above the daily zone is a good thing for the longs. So I would just be waiting for new support to be formed, whether it's at the daily zone at 134 or above this gray zone, then I'll just take it up. Do I have all my capital in my broker account or only a small percentage? I think all my capital, right? I don't get it. Yeah. Any reason why I do not trade indices, DEX, NES? I don't understand it. Like, I don't understand their behavior. Not like... So, last week I was testing EU. I've realized I do not like it. So I've taken it off. It is too slow. So I don't like it. And I wasn't super successful with it. So I took it off. Yeah. What broker do I use? Pepperstone. Do I trade full time? Yes. I see a downtrend channel, expect wick fill to 134,600, then expect a hard drop. Yes, I think a lot of people are still short buyers on this. But the thing is this, like I mentioned, this is a big enough range to trade. It's just that you gotta get your risk reward right. Yeah, it's just about the risk reward.
So what are you thinking here, Al? Still sells below 132.7?
This is gonna be late, much later. We need to see it come down from here first. So since this range is so big, then why not just capitalize on this first, right? So back to what Rob was saying earlier. Do I trade the pullback? It really depends. Do I go counter? It really depends. Because this range is big. Yeah. If it's like 20 pip, then I'm like, okay, not for me. It's 50, man. It's 50.
Yeah, that's a huge range.
Yes. When a trade goes against your entry, do you let price hit your stop loss or do you close partial? I close partial first. So when I enter, I look at the 15, and then if it breaks above the previous 15 high or low, I'll cut half. And the rest I'll just leave it. How many trades do I take a day? 3. What is my broker trading in? I don't understand. What broker? Oh, Pepperstone. Caught me. Should I stick to GU if it's working better for me than GJ? Yes. Just stick to the pair that you understand. Like those...
Oh my god, gold's still going.
So I was drawing, all these are TED's lines. It's going to 1907.
Oh yes.
Yeah. This is all. So I was drawing TED's lines on my screen, so I was just trying to understand what he was seeing.
Yeah, wow, it retested 1917. My god.
Yes.
Exactly to the wick there.
Yeah, TED is the gold king. So I'm thinking, this was the break, right? Like I'm trying to understand it, okay? So this was the break, and then when it tested the area, this was the... Yeah, but that's his zone, so...
Yeah, like it looks like, you know, buyers try to come in, but every single time taking out momentum, everything. But like there's not really, like my zones are different. Like I have 1923.5, right?
Yeah.
And if you go in on the smaller time frame, on the 15-minute or 5-minute, you could see that it retested that zone before it continued down as well.
Yeah, correct.
Like quite a bit of rejection at 1923.
Spread on GJ 1.8 to 1.5 so far. Can I enter GJ buy? Would you want to send a chart? Because I'm waiting for new support. So this is good, Abadi. Yeah. No FOMO. Don't worry about this wick. You will get new support forming to go back up. I'm scared. I'm scared I'm in buys. It's struggling. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still old.
Yeah, so whoever's in buys.
I'm holding that gold since 1930. Probably holding until 1835.
Gold?
What?
Huh?
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
gold. Been holding it since 1930.
Damn. Rolling in gold now.
Yeah.
Okay, so those in GJ buys, right? If it comes in below 134, below this wick, please close some, just in case. Yeah. Okay. So again, if it breaks below the previous wick, you want to close some. That's
You know what, Al? I think that the thing is coming up. Like this might be it.
which one?
Yeah, same.
Where our sells are good.
As in
Because
like coming
this
back in,
15
is it?
minute, if it breaks below the previous 15,
Yeah.
and it continues going down, this is like the 4-hour turning bearish.
Yep. So this was so, ooh, wow, look at it.
Yeah, and if you look at GJ, the 30-minute candle, the current one,
Yeah.
hasn't got a top wick.
Yep, correct.
So
it's
could easily
exactly what
flip.
exactly what I said on Raja's stream. So earlier
Yeah.
he tried to go long here, right? So
Yeah.
on the 15 earlier he tried to go long like somewhere here, I think. Then I was like, oh, no wick, no wick. No,
Yeah.
that's just a bad sign. So to me, what I saw was exactly what I said. Like if there's
Yeah.
such a big push, you want the next one to go even higher. So okay, this one
Yeah.
did it. And then oh, where's this wick? It didn't even
Yeah.
push. Yeah, so and then it's confirmed on like the 30 as well. So that's where I saw, okay, we're gonna have some problems. So it's the same thing for this. Like you see a big wick, then oh, where's the wick here?
Yeah.
There is no wick. Yeah, so that's why. Ashton, wick fails have been proven for 10 pips. That's all. Just saying, 10 pips is good. You will get 10 higher more times than not. But if you want to fill the whole thing, I'm saying it's risky, but 10, most of the times, I think a lot of the guys here can tell you it does fail for 10.
Oh, we're breaking lows.
Yep. Closers is only 5 minutes in, so yeah, we'll just wait for closers.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it's only 5 minutes.
So if it closes above 134 flat and makes a bearish or a bullish candle, you would expect it to go all the way back up to 600.
Closes above. Yes, so in this case now I'm waiting for a new support, right? If it closes above. AJ?
Yeah, which I mean, it has closed above. Right now it's kind of like this. You could say this is like the retest, kind of, for it to continue going up.
Yes. So okay, if we were to take this as a retest, right? I'm not confident in it going higher because this one doesn't have any wick on top. So I would wait for the next candle to actually print bullish, and then I might take that one up if I wanted it to go higher. But if this one closes below, then we're just gonna wait to
So I
come
mean,
in.
like for an impulse entry, you can put like a buy stop above the bearish 15-minute candle. Yeah.
Impulse entry above. Wow, that's risky. I mean, yes, if you're banking on this momentum to continue to fill the wick, yes. Then basically you want it as tight as possible. Yeah, but my fear is that it wicks you and then comes back in. And this is just a fake out. Because this news candle, let's just disregard this behavior.
Yeah.
All we want is the rest of it, yeah. So it's a bit iffy on the impulse entry, if you ask me.
No, I'm not taking a risk. I'm just seeing. All I'm saying now is that it's respecting your daily zone.
Correct.
So I'm just saying, like, if this candle flips bullish.
I'm just wondering, like, I think we need more time to tell if it's respecting it or not. No?
Yeah, so
Like,
AJ, like,
here.
even if this one flips bullish, right? To be frank, I'm not confident in taking the long. Yeah, I don't think the test is enough. Yeah, I can't really explain why yet. Just give me a while. It's just I don't have a good feeling about it because it doesn't have a wick.
No.
Yeah. I know feelings don't count. I'm just trying to
No, no.
understand why as well. But this
No, I
candle
mean, you definitely
is
have feelings when it comes to GJ.
yeah, it's just sometimes you know if you trade a pair so much, you know when the
Yeah.
pair is trying to smoke you. So
Yeah.
I feel like
Yeah.
it's trying to do that to me now. It's trying to induce me into taking a buy. Yeah. So
Oh, Saeed has a wick on top of his candle on
yeah.
his broker.
Is it a baby wick? So let's see. So if you use the FXCM chart, you have a
Baby wicks don't
baby
count.
wick. Yeah, baby wicks don't count. Look, you have a little tiny wick. Look, I can't even blow it up so that you can see it. It's a baby wick.
I see it. I see it. So small. Oh my
Yes.
god.
Yeah, baby wick. Yeah, so that's the thing. Daniel Thomas, I take 3 trades a day. I took 1 earlier, so I still have 2 bullets. Baby wick. So 15. 5 more minutes to the 15 close. Do I use market fluidity strategy? Yes. I enter similarly as Raja. I just don't manage my trade similarly to him. How much risk do you spread over your daily trades? So 1 to 2% per trade. Yeah. So I guess max 6%. But I've never really taken a 2% trade. Nothing has caught my fancy to make me want to put 2%. Ooh, can I open this? Oh no! Oh yes, I can. Where's the baby wick? Oh no, I cannot see this. Damn. Yeah, I can't see it. Do you stream London Open? Yes. A-Rod, the timings are on the YouTube description. Go to right. I cannot move it. I can't move it. It's like I cannot.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think you could see the wick on the
Yeah, but on FX CM there's a wick. A baby wick. So I
Yeah, I
believe
see it on your chart too. I think I saw it on your chart if you just like zoom in.
the fact that we need to zoom in, guys, that's a problem. I don't have anything.
Okay, no. It was probably the other chart.
I think it's
said.
FXCM. FXCM has a
Yeah,
little.
that's the one it was on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go back and try to find it.
There? There it is.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
This is sad. If we need this is sad. We don't need that. We just need this candle to show us where he wants to go.
Yeah.
What is 1,000 there? Kyo buff buffel.
My concern is just like, let's say this this is a success, and you know everything that we were figuring out and we you know talked about is starts to happen, and then 11 o'clock hits and you're going off the stream now. How do we manage it?
I go off at 12 because now
Oh.
it's daylight savings, I think. Right? Someone's tagged me, my bad. Yeah, now it's daylight savings, so look, I stay on longer today. Yeah, I go off at 12.
So we have
That's why I
a
said we have
speech
a
at
lot
12.
of time. Yeah. Oh, we have a speech at 12?
Yeah, speech at 12 for Governor Lael Brainard.
What's he speaking about?
Yeah, I think it's Powell, isn't
William. Oh.
Powell.
No, it's
Yeah,
UK.
from
It's
Powell.
US news.
Yeah, US.
Like, I'm more worried about Powell than this dude. Plus, we should be done by the time he speaks.
Yeah, 12, 12, 1.
If you see very nice momentum opportunity after you complete your 3 trades in a day, will you try it? No. 3 is 3. Because if you take it, then you're just over trading, right? Like, I just stick to the 3. If I miss it, then so be it. Because I took lousier trades before that, that's why I couldn't take the better ones later on. Gavin, I don't know, I just follow this. I know officially I think it starts in October, some of the guys were saying. But I just follow this timing here on Forex Factory. If this next 30-minute candle engulfs the 2 previous bullish candles, would you consider taking a sell? The 2 previous bullish candles.
Looks like it's flipping. Yep.
Yep, so the 15 just closed. Okay, moment of truth. Now we need to wait. Oh, there we go. So if the next 15-minute closes with support, then yes, let's go up. If it comes back in on the 30-minute close, confirming that this is a fake out, then we are coming back in. Then we can then take this range for 26 pips.
Oh, so somebody had a question earlier about like, do you wait for a pullback to close your trade if it goes against your entry? Oh yes, it was Sayabunga, right? So just a example, like I was in a sell for GJ, right? But anticipating that it may break down, right, on this candle, but it didn't, right? So I was in drawdown like 1-2 pips, whatever that little drawdown is, the previous candle. I just waited till this next 15-minute closed and the new one opened and it went back down to my entry, closed it, and now I'm waiting, you know? So
Yeah.
you can wait sometimes for a new candle to open as well, like if you're in kind of a range.
Yeah, but it also depends on your personal trade management and your risk appetite.
Yeah,
because
I
different
learned that from
people because different people like read the charts differently. So sometimes like for example, like just now, so many of us, some of them were like going, oh, GJ is a buy now, and then I'm like saying no, it's still a sell. Yeah, so there's just different things that we see. Trust, all I can say is trust your own analysis. I might not be right, I'm just basing on my own analysis and what I see. Yeah, so if you think it's a sell and I think it's a buy, but you're so confident in your sell, and then just take it. There's really nothing wrong as long as you manage it according to your rules.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really just that. Trust your analysis, that's all. The previous 15-minute. Leon, yeah, so like what I was saying, right? This 15 already closed bearish, so we need to give it one more 15-minute candle to show us either support or to confirm this 30-minute breakout. Yeah, then you would have a trade. Is Magic Keys the best for your entry exit? You don't need it. It's not a must. Because Magic Keys doesn't make your trading better, to be frank. It's just a tool.
Oh, Al, you have 85 participants today.
85? Oh, wow,
Damn,
wow,
yeah,
Zoom
just in
is...
Zoom.
Damn. How many on YouTube? Let's see.
I'm gonna go on YouTube and like your thing right now, just so I get to see it too.
YouTube is 431, I think.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean on GJ is just this 4 hour, to be honest, because you know it's already created the top wick.
Yeah.
And it seemed like it's already retested
Its
the
previous
broken
area.
zone. Yeah. So it could easily flip bearish. That's the only thing I'm worried about, to be honest. But
If you're taking the longs, right? That's what you're saying.
yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Well, the previous 15 minute just broke, like the current 15 broke the previous 15.
Yep.
We're coming down to the 30 minutes, about to break the 30-minute low.
Yep.
But this 30-minute doesn't have a wick at the top.
That's good. It's good.
Okay, that's good.
It's a good
That's what I
thing.
thought.
It's a good thing because it didn't even have, the buyers could even push it one more time. It like pushed on news and then that's it. They pushed once and that's it. It's good that that this doesn't have a wick.
So before GJ leaves us, how do we look for a pullback on the next candle, or
Yeah, so
would
if
you
this
take
this study is gonna close quite big, right? So the stop is like 20 at least. I would wait for the next candle to form. It might do a wick to test this 134 level and then come back down. Instead of forming like 2 candles of resistance, it might just do a wick and then come back down.
Yeah. Okay, I see that.
Yeah.
But you wouldn't take it on the break of the 30.
Okay, so I'm not just aiming for this area.
Yeah.
So let's see. This one, how big is this? So that's like 8. Okay, let's assume 20. So this is 1R. Depends on how this closes. I might take it because I'm not aiming for 133,700. I'm aiming firstly for 133.4 and then 133.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you probably would like, I'm just thinking how not to get screwed by GJ.
How not to miss it, you mean?
Yeah, miss it, screwed, whatever,
Yeah.
different
All of the
situation.
above.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, not trading it would be a good one too.
But if you don't trade it and then you see it come down all the way till 133,400, I can bet someone's gonna get so bad FOMO after missing this.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
And then missing this. You missed it both ways. Someone's gonna overtrade. 100%. Yeah. For 9 more minutes. So if this closes, let me just double check my zones on the left. 1 second. So 133.4. Yeah. So we should tap 133.4 and then just continue till 133. We could also take an impulse sell on the close of the current bear candle, then stops on the open of the next 30-minute candle. What? Or just sells below. Impulse entries is gonna be risky because if you impulse entry in and then you bounce off this area, then bye-bye. So I'm gonna wait for confirmations. Yeah, so the cleaner sells definitely will be below 133.7, but if you look at this candle, right, no wick to the top, didn't even bother trying to fill this. So it should come back in. This fake out should be confirmed already.
Oh, 4 hours flipping.
Yep. Dollar and yen pairs, they move similarly. I think they move conversely.
Oh, that's why I only made such less. I'd half the position I had normal.
Where or how are you looking to enter? Yeah, so John Crease. Again, I'm gonna wait for the next candle to form. It should do a pullback, at least a minor one or whatever. It should pull back, do a wick to this zone here, and then when it flips back down, passes the body, I will be in. Yeah. So you probably can look to put, if the stop loss is too big for you, then you can wait for a break below 133.7. The only thing about waiting for the break below 133.7 is price will also break below the 4-hour support, so it might push before you actually get a sell. That's all. So if you want, you can just put the stop loss above this 15-minute candle that broke instead of all the way up there.
Wow, gold 1897.
Ooh, damn. It's just tanking.
God damn.
It's tanking. Oh, it's gonna go to this area here, like 1880.
I don't even know what to say.
1880. So clean on the left. So clean.
I noticed like whatever I'm looking at on GG on the 1 hour or 30-minute,
Yeah.
like gold does that on the 5-minute.
Yeah, gold is like,
you know,
so much more volatile.
I was afraid of things like ranging or something today, you know, with like 1030.
It did
and
range. It ranged the whole
yeah,
of pre-New York, man. That was like, oh, that was 5 hours.
yeah.
Hmm.
Rakil saying if you spent more than 3 hours plus on the charts today, call it a day.
Uh-oh.
He's like, things will get worse from this point on.
Well, if you took 2 trades within his session, yes. I'm toying with the idea of taking a sell once the 30-minute closes just below the previous week's. If it runs too far off, then just wait for retest. Yeah. Same thing, Ethan. Because this stop is just big. What if the current candle retraces back to 134 and closes above it? Validated for buys. Again, I would just wait for support. I don't just take a close. I wait for the break and retest. What's the longest losing streak? I think like 2 weeks of consecutive losing. Ethan. Why does Raja say don't trade Mondays and he still trades Mondays? I don't think he says don't. I think he says that Mondays and Fridays have funny behaviors. And he probably knows how to manage his trades, I think. Maybe he goes in with lesser risk. I don't know. Back when I was a swing trader, I lost 14 trades in a row. I only take maximum 2 to 3 a day, so there's like daily losing. That was annoying. Raja might be in a cell.
2 more minutes, finally.
Yeah.
We get to find out what's going on with this thing.
Big stops. Big stop.
Well, we're hoping that the next candle just a little bit of a, you know.
Yeah. Okay, so what I'm
Walk
thinking is, because this stop is so big, right?
Yeah.
What I would wait for is for the next candle. So I'm not entering immediately on the close, right? So because firstly, I'm not disregarding this zone as well, correct? Because we pinned it so many times in the few hours before this. And then now it looks like he doesn't want to give us a wick down. So what I'm going to do is, GJ is not giving us a break today, you're right. So I'm going to wait for the next candle to pull back first, and then it should pin 134, and then if it flips back down, closes past this body, then I'll be in with my stop loss above 134.
Yeah.
Then I will have a smaller stop. Yeah, but I'm going to give the next candle some time to form. Yeah. Power's on now. Oh, probably why it's pushing. So the one, a fake out is when you see this candle. So the overall momentum is bearish, right? So we see all these big candles coming back in, coming down. So when you see a candle start to push above a major zone, and then the next candle comes back in below that zone in line with the original trend, right? That's a fake out. I need to make a coffee. Go. That's good. At least you walked away. Which candle is a fake out? Oh, this right leg. It's confirming the fake out, this one here. Yeah.
Okay, so let's get our pullback.
Yeah. Yeah. So stops are just big. Oh, this is 30 pips. Even that stopped me. I go for like 20, 25 max. Oh, 30 just made me stop.
Yeah, the reason why I entered the cells earlier and then I got out was because when I put the stop, it was like 25 pips, 30 pips. I was like, you know what?
Yeah, I'm
I'll
waiting.
just close that break even.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry.
Beep. You might ban my video. Beep. Yeah, Chan S. So this close is good. It's just that usually what I've seen on an engulfing candle, right? This pullback at least goes back half. At least. So yes, I am waiting.
Oh, L, you know the 4 hour actually did not break yet, the previous 4 hour either.
Yeah. So that's why I said if we were to enter when it breaks below 700, right? There's a very high chance it would just
Yeah, that would be like you're selling the bottom.
Yeah, there's a very high chance you just waterfall before that, because 700 is that 4 hour support. So that's why like I'm trying to get in somewhere above. Because if we enter here, I think I might miss it too. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for this to retrace. Usually, again, what I've noticed, engulfing candles like this usually have at least a 50% retracement before it comes back down.
Yeah. Like on the higher time frame, right?
Yep. No, on this time frame. This
Yeah,
one.
like I mean, sorry, on the higher time frame, it just looks like a wick went up there, but came back down.
Yeah. Yep. On the 4, right, you're saying?
I think so.
Yep, it's just a giant wick to 600, I think, like Michael said.
Oh, yeah, this 4 hour, no, this, because of the news, it's like, it's different. It's not what I thought it would look like. Now I'm just thinking, if we don't break the low, then the next, like that, then we'd have to come back tomorrow. Like I have no idea left, you know?
Then we wait for the hour close.
Okay.
If this hour doesn't close below, then more likely than not, we might not have a trade today. Because GJ is chopping. Yeah. Would you just not use the top wick of this current 30-minute candle as a stop loss, assuming it closes bullish? I mean, I think you mean bearish, and breaks the low. Yes, that's why I'm waiting for it to pull back first. And then when it comes back down, breaks the body of this previous candle, then I'll enter with my stops above this current candle's whatever high that it sets. Oh, GU is at the daily, it's at 128. Ooh. That's it. Wow, check out that check out that middle finger on EJ as well. Oh, EJ was a nice move.
Did it do what you said with the, oh yeah.
Yeah, this was a nice one. Yeah, GCOM, I saw it the first time. Yes, stop spamming. You're gonna go into timeout. I saw it the first time. Yes, thank you for the support, but no need to spam. Thank you. He spammed like so many messages saying that I got 200 likes. Thank you. Damn, Zhao. 11 last week. Then now you made your weekly goal. I'm gonna ban you. You cannot come on my streams for like the whole week. Damn. No, I'm not trading gold. Wow, GJ is stuck, man. Ethan, you must have been a really naughty boy. He's not doing what he wants. What you want. Let's see where GU is going next. After 128. Oh, this area is messy. Said, they're asking, the YouTube is asking, is there a window behind You. Say yes.
Nice house,
Nice
Saeed.
house. Yeah, and I live on a beach. See, I even dressed in an island shirt. We can only dream of traveling now. That's really sad. So I see this area on GU, whoever's in it, potentially reaching 278. So whoever's in GU that was asking earlier, just manage your trade. Gee, did you close your gold trade?
Sorry, what'd you say?
Were you in gold cells just now?
No, not just now. I was there like earlier, when we were on Raj's stream.
Yeah.
I closed at 1928.
Oh, okay. I think no one
Yeah,
expected this big move.
yeah, like I was looking for re-entries and then the thing just ended up going down like way before
Yeah.
like any
I think
candle
this might
closed.
have been Powell though. No? No.
Yeah, somebody was saying I read somewhere that the the banks are selling because of what Powell and them are saying.
Oh. Is he done? I think he's done, right?
No.
Is he still
Uh
speaking? Oh man. What's this?
let me just see if anything else came out from them.
Oh wait. Let's see.
No, 1017 was like, yeah, no, I don't think they're speaking anymore.
I think they're done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Who this girl? The house behind you, they call it Black Villa. Wow. Where in New York, man, would you have a house like that? Is there even like, isn't it like all cities?
Powell said that the goal was to drop to like 7% unemployment, and they're at 12 right now.
Okay. Wow, this house is nice. I'm gonna use that wallpaper, Said, tomorrow. I'm gonna find a nice picture. Maybe I'll join you in the house. Oh, they say Power is still talking. Oh yes, he's still talking. Dude. Enough. Go off, guys. No wonder we're not moving.
I'm just wondering, like,
As soon as I saw the 5-minute breaking the zone and we had a bearish 1 hour candle, execute a short. Where was this? Oh, 5. Okay.
ooh, gold's on the climb. Stuff's just moving.
I close 66 and move stop loss to break even. Was it a great? Oh, where's the question? Do you think it was risky? Okay. Anything taken on whatever time frame below the 15, even the 15 is risky. But if you manage, if that is your trading strategy and you managed it properly, like in this case, I see that you closed at the next zone, then yeah, I guess you are fine. Because risky would depend on your trade management as well, right? Because I know people that enter on the 1 minute and they just manage their risk accordingly. What if Powell speaks all the way to the London close? Damn you. I have no trades today. Yeah, if he speaks to the London close, I don't think we'll have anything.
I was looking for GJ sells during like London, and I fell asleep. And my
Oh,
trade
it's
had hit.
done. Sorry, it's done. Let's go now. Go. Yes, we are done.
Nice.
Sorry, yes, what did you say? I got a bit excited like Mac.
So we got a little wick there.
Baby wick. Okay, so now 15 minutes. 1 more minute to the 15 close. Okay, let's see.
Oh,
there we go. See, it's really the news. Like, I've seen it so many times. GJ likes to chop when there's high impact US news. I don't know why. Like, if someone knows, tell me, because I don't know why. Yeah, it does this. I don't know why.
So, Al, what do you think? The last 15 minutes of this hour we could break down, or what? Like, if we go
Yes.
below the other one?
Okay, so this one got 15 minutes to the close, right? Okay, those that want impulse entries, right? It's definitely risky, okay, but given the momentum and we've all been waiting for it to come down short, you should not have any issues coming down to 133,400. But as we all know, impulse entries are risky. I'm gonna wait for the hour close.
Okay.
Yeah, those that can't wait, you wanna take the impulse entry, wait for this candle to flip back down. You should be able to clear to this area first for your 10 pips and then to 400. Yes.
I feel like I've been taking impulse entries all day today.
Yeah, because if you only take 10, GJ wants to clear this. Yeah, at least till the wick. So there's like at least a 15 pip range. Yeah, plus if we look on the hour, right? So it's gonna close below this support over here, which is also the 4-hour support, right? So now, check out the 4-hour. This is coming down.
Oh.
So that's why I even called out the risky impulse entries. For those who want to take it, stop loss will be above here. Or if you want to give it a bit more room, then you can put it above the previous 15-minute candle. Yes. Again, it's aggressive. Just putting a disclaimer. I don't want someone blowing their account.
Sorry, I've been away just recently. What are you looking to target 133 and then eventually, or 133 400 and then eventually 133?
Yes.
Yeah,
So,
I'm still
okay,
not
so
sell up there, so
yeah, on the impulse
holding.
entries, right? I called out like, oh shoots. So I think it should move and clear. For those who take only 10, you should be able to take your 10 around this support. Yeah, it shouldn't be an issue. But I think it should clear to 400 because 1 hour is clean. Yeah, but I'm only entering after the hour closes.
Yeah, I hope it breaks right here and creates a new zone, and I'll just put my stops above that new zone and just let it keep running.
Yeah, so on the hour close, right? So this hour, I'm definitely not putting my stops above here, right? That's just dumb. So I'm gonna wait till like the next candle breaks, so comes down on the 1 hour, does like a little wick to test this zone, and then I'll probably put it above the zone. Yeah, this close should be good. London is closing in less than 15. I think it's closing in an hour and 15. Based on this. 1 hour and 21. Could you explain why 133,400? Yeah, so if you look left, Jace, so this area here around 1st of July, this was, price came all the way down, stopped here at resistance, right? So this is a minor pause I foresee, and then this area at the bottom at 133 is the 4-hour zone. Wait the daily close and possibly enter in the Asian session. Yeah, I don't trade Asian, Matthew. How many bullets? Rajma, you ask me that every single day. Every single day. It's like, just trying to check. I have 2 more. Dre, if you don't know how to enter an impulse entry, just don't enter. Wait for the hour to close. How long did it take for you to go full-time after I knew what I was doing? Wow, knowing what I was doing. Because I've been trading for 7 years. I only went full-time because of circumstances, not because I knew what I was doing. As in, I'm not saying that I don't know what I'm doing, but it's not because of that I went full-time. Penyaman, I don't turn on music. I'm sorry, you can turn on your own music. I'm just lazy to fiddle with the settings on my Streamlabs. Should I enter GJ now? And where should I put it? Come on, man. I've been saying wait for the hour close. If you want an impulse entry in, then wait for it to break below the body at least, right? So you would have been in already since it broke. But since you're not in, just wait for the hour to close. Why do you label your layout as scalps? Oh, is Ribeiro just a name? Because initially I was only scalping for a few pips and then now I don't anymore. Second question. Advice for someone who wants to try swing trading instead of day trading. How to organize the workings? What workings? Like how do you organize the zones or take profits?
I think it means like how do you analyze the thing of going for swings, you know, starting probably with the monthly, going down all the way to the daily, then
Top-down
executing.
analysis?
Yeah.
Okay. Like, okay, does he mean like how do I draw my zones?
Yeah, I think he's saying like, you know how you have the daily there.
Yeah.
When you day trade, it's easy. Trade on session.
No, I don't think that's what he's asking. Trading day or week. Yeah, I don't think that's what he's asking. So you don't want to full-time because of being able to make income consistently? I don't get that question, Maryone. Okay, guys. 2 minutes.
Well, we're not bouncing off of it right now. It's a little slow.
think it might stay in this range until tomorrow morning. Just keep ranging up and down like it's been doing.
Oh, you think that there's like news or something tomorrow?
No, not just news, because there's not enough volume. London's about to close in 7 minutes.
Yeah, you're
So
right.
I think it might just keep consolidating again, and then or shoot up tomorrow or shoot down tomorrow. I don't see anything on news. I don't think so. Oh yeah, government Bailey speaks in the morning, 9:30 a.m. my time.
Bailey? Oh yeah, 3:30 my time. That's
So I
like
think that's
London
gonna,
open.
yeah, I think that's gonna break these levels, buy or sell, depending on what he says.
Yep.
So
Yeah, I think you're right, and Timo could be the news tomorrow. That's why GJ is also stuck. What's this person talking about? Wow, 700 is strong, man.
yeah, impulse entries around that area is
Yeah.
just death.
Yep, that's why I said if anybody has itchy hands and wants to take it knowing that you only can get to this range, but it's, yeah, like you said, it's death. Why not just wait for the hour to close? You have more info.
Yeah, GN just broke above. I think it's gonna be pushing high.
GN?
Yeah. GBP and ZD.
Oh, that's interesting. It's a total like opposite from GJ and GU. Why is it not coming down? Is GA like that too? Oh, that's interesting. Uh, FJ Apples. I'm using Pepperstone.
I would honestly be so annoyed if I were you. You've answered that question like 100 times. Like
Yeah.
I've heard you say Pepperstone like I don't even know how many times.
Yeah.
think I heard
Sometimes
like
I
4.
just let the YouTube guys help me reply. I feel, yeah, but if there's not many questions, then I'll just answer it.
You got patience, I don't.
Well,
You should be a
some
little bit more like Raja. Just be like, I answered that question. Like, rewind the YouTube.
rewind the stream. Yeah. Now it's because this guy is new. I haven't seen his username before. That's why I replied. But those that I've seen before, I don't reply. Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, it looks looking like 700 is like a very strong level.
Yeah. So that's why impulse entries sometimes do not work all the time. Yeah. I don't know. I just prefer not to.
Yeah, I mean, I got in a trade. I managed my risk. I mean, I lost $100, but
Yeah.
oh well.
The thing
Manage the
is,
risk.
yeah, the thing is on this candle, right? If we just look at it, it's still making a lower high, so and a lower low even. So I think it's still trying to come down. It's just
It's
something
just
is
being
stopping.
difficult, yeah.
Yeah, something is stopping it. Structurally, it looks right. Yeah.
It's coming back.
LOL.
You see, now this is when I get pissed off and enter again.
Oh no, chill, bro.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Ethan, your consultation bills will come when this thing breaks 700. You needed to do something good so that it would break 700. I did edit in description, so a lot of the questions you guys are asking is in the description. The broker thing, I'll edit in later. But if people will still ask, it's like, oh man. Some people ask me, what's the Discord channel? Oh my god. I stopped answering that question already. JBY on holiday, that's why it's stuck. Probably, and also because I think this dude is speaking tomorrow. They're probably looking for some direction from him. Okay, 1 hour. Oh my god, what a shitty 1 hour close. Look where it closed. Oh, this is bad. Guys, I don't think we have any trades left to take today. Said, I'm sorry. Look at where it closed, man. No. Damn. Yeah, damn.
Yeah, GJ.
No.
Broke my heart too.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
At least we have it tomorrow.
Yes, at least we
You
have it
know,
tomorrow.
we're not blown accounts, you know, all that shit.
Yeah, good thing I didn't enter again.
AJ, you have a meeting with me later?
Yeah.
Ooh.
But I actually have
Yeah.
something that came up.
Yeah, of course.
So
Are you able to change the link?
Which one?
Oh, are you the doctor?
yeah.
Ah, got it. I was like, who's AJ?
Yeah, so AJ is my like initials, like my full name. You won't
Oh,
be able to say it.
Yeah, I think I even called you by the wrong name. My bad.
Yeah. No, so like my full name is Abdullah Jaharji.
Yeah.
So you won't be able to say that. So like I just use my initials AJ.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you able to change the timing on your side? Like click change appointment?
Let me check.
I think you should still be able to.
Yeah, I can change appointment.
Yeah, go ahead, just change it. It's cool. In the UK, we had a notice in the afternoon that there was an emergency meeting tomorrow from the PM. That's probably spooked the market. Huh. If the UK goes on lockdown again. Oh. That's it. Yeah, man, Antimo. Nice trading today. Said looks so sad. He's like, why? Why didn't you close lower? Why? I waited so long for you. Well, I announced it. Whoever wants to go off can go off. My Zoom has 56 now, so people left. Yeah.
I'm gonna head off to
Yeah, there's really no trades, guys. Nothing worth taking. So if you wanna leave,
So Eleanor, for the scheduling is telling me that I have to log in. I don't have a login.
oh,
Yeah, it's weird.
1 second. Okay. Are you on?
I'm on the secure acuity scheduling.
Okay, tell you what. Do you still have the original link?
Yeah, I think it's on my Instagram.
Okay, yeah. Just rebook another link.
Okay.
Yeah. I think you might have to fill in, like just put dashes on the questions.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just I'll cancel this one on my end.
I appreciate it. Yeah, because something came up and
yeah, no worries.
I wanted to let you know.
Thank you. You allowed me to sleep earlier today.
So the earliest appointment is on October 1st.
Oh damn. Really? So late?
Yeah.
Oh, for the timing that you can make it.
Yeah, no, that's the earliest appointment. Like the earliest thing. For the 30-minute discovery call, right?
Oh wait. Let me see. Jace, give me a second, yeah?
Yeah, take your time.
Yeah. Oh no, as in there's this regular that's like asking me to check a chart. So I'm just telling him give me a while.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me see. Why is it? Oh, okay, I got it. I know why.
The one-on-one Zoom training mentorship has with the discovery call, the 30-minute discovery call doesn't have it.
Yeah, I think I know why. Just let me change something. That's weird. You know what? Just click whatever that works. Yeah, it's fine. I don't know why it's glitching like that. Yeah, just click the one that allows you to fit your schedule. Are you trying to look for like the either the 23rd or 24th?
Yeah, I mean tomorrow, whatever, anytime. I literally I was gonna have the meeting with you like in an hour, but I mean literally just like right now something came up and I have to leave.
Yeah. It allows you to book on the 23rd, right?
For the discovery call or for the one-on-one Zoom training? Trading.
Discovery doesn't allow you, right? But
Discovery doesn't allow me. So there's the one-on-one on the Wednesday.
Okay, then just click on that one. I mean I know who you are, so I'll just make a note on it on my side.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks.
yeah. I'll check it later. I don't know why the links are like that.
Yeah, no problem. Okay. All right. So confirmed it on the 23rd.
Yeah, I saw it. 23rd. Yeah, got it. Okay. $30-minute close week bearish. Candles were too volatile to take a trade to put my stop loss.
Well, I'm gonna head out. Thanks for
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah, no worries. Take care.
Thanks.
See you tomorrow.
All right.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Jace, technically, could you not have put the stop above this wick? Like entry on the next one after, since you rejected your zones, right? Entry on this candle here, this next one, and then your stop loss above. Yeah, this consolidation is definitely good. So just gotta be patient. Yeah, I don't know about GU because on the left it's just really messy. So potentially I see it coming down to 278, but it's not as clean a move as GJ. But that being said, price just broke below the daily zone at 128, right? So it forms a new resistance here, then maybe you could take it down for 20 pips. Bye guys, so whoever wants to join, I have 2 streams. First one's at 5 AM Eastern, then after that the next one's after Raja. See you all.
Yeah, okay, bye.
Oh no, I'm not going off yet. I'm probably gonna hang around.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm
okay,
probably
okay.
hanging around till like at least till the half an hour closes.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, anyone has any questions can just feel free to ask me. But definitely I don't think there's a trade on GJ. Maybe GU, maybe. Yeah, but the range is really not that big.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for that GU to break at that 27878 level around there, that area where there's a lot of confusion. Just needed to break that level right there so I can head in for
78.
sales.
7878 or below?
7878, somewhere around there.
Where? Draw my chart. Like just annotate on the screen. 878, isn't it?
27878, somewhere around
Mm-mm-mm.
here. Those levels.
Yeah, it's messy on the left.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like this area here, even with this big rejection on the 15, right? It's even tough to take an impulse entry, even if anyone wanted to. Where would you put your stop? Do I attend Monty session? No. Can you check EG? Okay, since we have nothing. I think if you're long, you should be able to clear to this area just based on structure. Do I think Uncle Ted and Raja be watching my stream? I don't know. I don't think so. Do I enter Monty's session? Nope. If you were to compare spreads with OND and Pepper, would you say Pepper will be better? Yes, 100%. Look, JC, if you just look at the screen, right? This is OND. OND is like 2.3. My spread now on Pepperstone is 1.1. So, we are half. Can you take a look at GA from a daily perspective? Rick, are you premium? Because last time when I used OND and I was premium, right? And yeah, I never got that low spreads. It might be because of my country, I don't know. Yeah. So I think, are you from the US? Yeah, there you go. So I think the spreads for US OND accounts are low. But for Asia OND accounts, they are not. They are just disgustingly high. Even for the premium. GA from a daily. I'm thinking this is building for a bullish move to fill the weekly wick. Ooh. Yeah, definitely. Wow, how much is this? Oh, 90 pip move, nice. Current candle on GJ is the retest before the move down. Oh, on the 15. I don't know if it's the retest because it's not coming off any zones. Like, I don't even have like any minor zones to come off. Come off. Yes, right. So it's just ranging Kairu. So definitely no trades. Yeah, GJ's dead. There's news tomorrow. Like, that's why.
I think I'll close this gold trade because I'm seeing gold is trying to do daily retracements.
Uh-oh.
The 300 pip move, that was good.
Yeah. It did reach. Wow.
This is probably the most pips I've caught in this month.
But this, okay, I'm not 100% familiar with gold, but wouldn't this be a good rejection for yourselves?
It would be, but I'm closing so I can re-enter once the new daily comes out.
Oh,
but
so later.
Yeah, 300 pips is more than enough. I'm good.
True. Yes, that's true. That's nice. Yeah. As in, technically, cause I was just thinking, since you're already in profit, then why not just leave a tiny bit just to let go? Cause I saw this candle here, like you're basically wanting to fill this wick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So why not just leave a runner to fill the wick? I'm just curious.
Yeah, then I'll just have to close partials.
Yeah, because you're already in profit, so why not just maximize the move? At least not till the end. If you're worried that it doesn't fill to the end, then at least till the 1 hour like support at 1880. Yeah, I don't know. That's the most immediate time frame that I can see. I mean, based on structure.
Originally, I was trying to swing it to 1850.
Yeah.
Around that level right there.
Yeah.
And then now I think I'll just hold it till that level. And I'll just keep on moving it. As soon as it keeps on making those lower highs, then I'll just keep on holding it.
Yeah, just trail your stop loss then.
Yeah.
Yeah, but at least, I mean, if you're worried, then you can just secure some first. But at least trail the stop loss. Because this was like what Uncle Ted said. This is like a good rejection of that zone. I believe on the 5 it would look even nicer. Yeah, so it should come down to this area first, right? And then, oh, you are clean. I mean, I just read structure. I'm not super familiar. I'm just reading what it's trying to tell me. What do you think about RSI? Dre, I don't have it on my chart, so I don't trade it. Whoa. Yes, agree. It's a retail trap. Yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Perfect. For GJ, for sell bias on GJ, would you be more comfortable taking a sell off of the break and retest of 133,541? Because I took a stupid sell earlier and I've been up for like 7 hours waiting to take a trade, and I took the stupidest trade.
541. So you took it at this area here? Are you still in?
No, I cut my losses.
Oh, okay.
For a good confirmation, you would wait for the break of that level, right? 133,541. Just to get out of that range completely.
Yeah, I think you're worried about the wicks, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Honestly, if you have like a okay, so if you look at the lower time frame, it's messy, right? So if you go up to the hourly, then it looks cleaner. So if it basically clears below like 650, I actually would be comfortable to sell already. I don't need it. Yeah, I don't need it to break below this wick.
Okay.
650. Yeah, because if you look at it like from left to right, this was old. Like it was the first push down, and then price tried to go, it couldn't reach that area anymore. So this was the new, like so-called supply zone, so to speak.
Okay.
Yeah, basically there are buyers here holding the price up. Yeah, okay. So if you break close below the wicks here, you should be good to come down lower.
Okay, perfect. Because I remember Ted talking about that in the morning. He drew the boxes on the top of this range and on 133,541. He said, I mean, either way, you just wait. I mean, for less stress. I mean, you take that.
Definitely. Yeah, but I think if you again, it depends on what time you're taking the trade, because after this hour closes, right, one market would be gone from GJ, and that's the pound, and the UK market will be closed, right? So I don't think you'll get the volume to push it down after that. So maybe you might want to wait till London tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. Did I take any trade today? No. Not in this session. Let's support at go now. Satsu, where is your support on? Like, what time frame? Where? I see support here. 1880. Based on the 4 hour. So for Lindo, he still has space, I think. It's like 90.
Yeah.
Right? Am I seeing it wrong? I think I don't know. I'm just looking based off the higher time frame. It's clear you have nothing in this area anymore, so you should come back to test 1880, right?
Yeah, from that level right there.
Yeah, at least this area. Like, don't go for the wicks. Just take it at 1880, and that's what, 90 pips. No, 70. Oh man.
Yeah, I think I'll touch down 500 pips today.
Yeah, sick. Wow. You don't even need GJ, man. You just need to take goal. Yeah.
Stick to what I'm best at.
So what are you best at? Gold or GJ?
Or
you're about the same.
Yeah, GBP USD and gold, which kind of also move similar.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so looks like this one worked today. That rejection from the daily zone, once it broke the wick, this impulse entry worked. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. This one worked. I don't find gold from Owender. Some, I think if you're in the US, I don't think you can find it, if I'm not wrong. Or certain countries don't allow you to trade gold. Uncle Ted in a gold cell right now. Lindo looks like you're good.
Yeah.
Just got confirmations. I mean, it looks so clean. If I was in it, I would hold it. Yeah, I'm not in gold dupe. I'm just like we were just talking about it. People get excited when I say gold. I don't find EU on Owender. Oh, that cannot be. EU is the most traded currency. Oh, 1 minute and 5 minutes. Okay, I don't even look at the 1 and 5 for support. Yes. I mean, if it works for you, good. I don't use it. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna end the stream on the 30-minute close. If you guys have any last minute questions, just throw them in the chat. Can I please look at your GJ chart? Do you have a link? Sure. I think you want the zones, right, Jamie? So welcome, Rick. Thank you for always joining. Yeah, can you see GJ falling to the last weekly support at 132.2? Let's see. Zach, yes, actually on the earlier stream, if let's say the lockdown news is like there's more news about the lockdown from the UK, right? It should just come down to this 132 area because it's so clean now on the left on the weekly. Yeah, and if you look at the daily, once we close, this daily candle closes below 134 and below this support on the left here, we should come down to 132 as well. Yeah, thank you everyone. So please don't overtrade. It shouldn't be anything anymore. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think that's anything juicy. EJ is stuck again in a range. This, what's this? 40 pip.
Wow.
Yeah. I think tomorrow on. Oh, Emil, that's the wrong thing to say in the YouTube chat, man. So yeah, I think tomorrow, whoever trades Asia EJ should form some new resistance around 123, then look to take it down here. Same for GJ. So GJ, we're still waiting for this break, so maybe you'll get it in Asia. But definitely nothing till nothing overnight. I think Asia, the news will only probably come around the... Oh, Japan is closed. Hang on. Okay, scratch that. Don't trade Asia. Japan is closed. Do not trade Asia. Just saying. You think it's better to trade the London session? Yes, for volume.
Yeah, so I'm off. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.
In the stream.
If you reach 188, you can tag me. I want to know if it
Okay.
reaches 188. I think it should. Are you like
Yeah.
already? Are you trailing your stop still on gold?
Yeah, I did. I just trailed it, closed partials as well. So I have a few positions running.
Yeah. Okay, if you reach 188, let me know. I'm curious.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye. Since Japan is closed, then we are going to have more bearish momentum tomorrow. So the thing about the Asian market, right, is tomorrow what I'm seeing is, yeah, so Asia looks clear in terms of news. So the bulk of the push actually comes during like 8 to 9 p.m. Eastern for the Asian market. So you might not want to trade Asia at all. So the bearish move would actually have to wait for Bailey to finish his speech. And then, so Ashton, last question. If it goes up to 134,100, you would definitely have to see a break and a retest of the daily zone. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna call it. I will see everybody tomorrow. For those that have been asking me about the trade I took earlier on GJ, I'll post it on my Instagram in like a while, because I'm about to have a call. If not, then if you wanna have a look at it, right, it's actually already, the video's already up, so there's a timestamp as well if you're lazy to watch the whole video. So
Thank you.
yeah, it's over this one here, so it's timestamped, so just click and have a look. Okay, I'll see everyone tomorrow. Farewell, farewell. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.